How to add your contact informations to your profile on LinkedIn. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your contact informations to your LinkedIn profile. So all what you have to do is go to linkedin.com and log into your account and then go to your profile. Now this is my profile. All what you have to do to add contact informations is go to add profile section right here, and now go to additional and go down and click add contact info. Now you can add your phone, your address, your email address, your phone type, your birthday if you want here, and yeah, you can also add your website from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.